a couple birds are almost the same. Brothers, dee. Wait, oh, wait, hold on. Wait, what's the intro? Is it in? Oh, okay. Brothers, brothers, little bro, hello, brother. What's up, doggy? Hello, mommy. I'll make cookies for you. And Daddy, I'll be your son, the brothers. Yeah. Whoops, forgot the intro before. Yeah, you should know that, right? I know. Anyways, now we should do Hello, matey. I'm gonna walk somewhere. Like where? I'm going to the lightsaber store cause this is almost broken. Not that broken. Whatever. I'll just go. Who are you and who are you? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Weak. Yeah. I'm the real bird. No, I'm the real bird. Guys, why are you fighting? He's not the real bird. What? And who said he's not the real bird? What's the yeah? Let's fight. You're in the way. Oh, sorry. Now let's continue the fight. Huh? Any last words? Should we call a truce? Nope. Yeah. My feathers! Yeah. Ow! My beak! Let's do a replay. He like scratch me. Oh, I need to hold. Stop it, guys! You guys stop fighting. No, he's a jerk. I'm the reaper. No, I'm the reaper. Yeah. One hour later of fighting. Haha, you job. Wait. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't mean to. You didn't have to see. The hair came off. Man, yeah, my hair sucks. Ow, that hurts. Dear. Looks like I'm the real bird. Now I am. I'll take that one. Hey! Now it's time to slice your beak. Here. My beak! Now I cannot talk. Oh, I can. Now, time to slice your head also. Ow, 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 it hurts. Look at this. Yep, that's what happened. Oh, yeah, your hair is kind of damaged. Yeah, my hair sucks. I'm gonna off. To be the real bird. I'll take out this feather. Forget it. We should leave it on. Jinx. Feather buff feathers. Crab McNuggets. And quackers. Jinx. Yeah. What were you guys doing? We were playing Jinx. Hey, can I talk? Yep, he's actually a Luke Skywalker. Oh, you said my name. I said you said my name. Forget it. Put your lightsaber down. Okay. I think we should be friends. Exactly. Let's forget about this. Okay. We both remember. Alright, let's go. Aw, they're being friends now. So are you, brother. Yeah. Let's hang out with it. Okay. Wait. I want to come to... Oh, me too. But what about me? No, you're staying here. At the restaurant. Man, these hamburgers taste good. Yeah, they're good. But chicken nuggets is better. No, hamburgers are better. Chicken nuggets are better. Wait, what? They're not friends again? Nah, that sucks. I think we should get... Okay, I don't want to tell it to get along. Hey, guys, get along. No. Yeah. Oh, man, it didn't work. What should we do? Wait, they were friends before and they're fighting again? Uh-oh. I was a force to get. Haha, it's never gonna come back. Oh, well. What? See, told ya. Anyways, let's fight. I'm green. Yeah. Any last words? What? No. Now, any last words? I don't know. That hurts, dude. I win! Yeah, you lose. Ow. Are you okay? Nope. Oh! That kind of hurt too. No. Let's go back home. Exactly. Let's go. Hey, wait up, birds. Yeah, wait for us. And wait for me too. At least I'm still home.